Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Great Beard Garage. My name is Matt, and today is Tuesday, and we're doing a Tool Tuesday today with something pretty cool we got. Actually, we got a couple things. We've got a pallet buster we're going to look at, and then we've also got a nail extractor we're going to take a look at. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do one of these pallets real quick. Show you how well this buster works, and then we'll go from there. So guys, this is the pallet buster, just like this. Came off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below. But this is pretty simple, and we'll show you how this thing works. Now you just take your pallet buster, sit it right up under the edge of that pallet, and give it a pull, and pops it right out. Nice and easy. Just like that. Now, these pieces of wood are a little broken, a little cracked, so they're not cooling out all the way in one piece, but that's what it looks like, guys, when it comes out. Got the nail sticking out, and then we take it over there, and we're using the nail punch. Alright, so let's go check out the nail punch. And this is from Amazon as well. So we're going to take a quick look at that, show you how easy that works. So if you're thinking about getting into using old pallets and stuff for projects, these are really good tools to use. That's it, guys, that easy. Alright guys, well that's Tool Tuesday. Just a real quick show and tell of the new tools we got for doing some pallet busting. Again, these are available on Amazon, and I'll put the links in the description below. As always, thanks for checking out the channel. If you like what you see here, click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And we appreciate it as always. Take care.